These braids have been in for going on 3 weeks and I am ready to let them breathe because it's itchy. It's itchy really bad and it's dirty and I have not washed my hair and I have been sweating, so I know these things need to come out.
Why would you come out the house like that and you knew you was about to be on TV? Girl, them cornrows is chewed. You hear me?
Today I'm going to be showing you how to take out these braids properly and safely. The things you're going to need is a rat tail comb, a spray bottle of some sort. This should just fill rather regular water, not the product, but this is the only spray bottle I have. You're also going to need some conditioner or some like leave-in. I'm going to use an oil because that's what I have handy. I'm going to use this oil. So I'm going to start by taking water, wetting them, because you never want to manipulate your hair when it's dry. That causes breakage, and we're on a healthy hair journey. Taking some oil, applying it to my hands, rubbing it through the braids. You're gonna take your rat tail comb and insert that into the braid. You're only needing this just to start the unloosening process. You just want to make sure you're being gentle as you're taking them out. My hair is already shedding because, like I said, it's been 3 weeks. I'm just raking my fingers through like each section just to get all the shed hair out, so when I go to detangle later, that won't be causing a problem for me. This is the first braid out. I'm gonna take this and twist it up just to keep it out the way of the other one. As you can see, that twist did not stay in my head. I kind of look like Cynthia from the Rugrats. But I go on to the next braid doing the same thing. This process is kind of repetitive, so once you see it done once, you don't need to see it done to all 6 or 7 braids I had in my head. I think I start showing the process after the 3rd or 4th braid, but after that I go into how I'm going to be styling my hair. So now that those braids are out, I'm going to be doing a wash and go style using the Shea Moisture Curl Stretch line. After my hair's been in braids for 3 weeks, I think my scalp needs a break. I don't want to do a protective style right now, so I'm going to be doing a wash and go to let my scalp breathe. And I kind of miss my curls, so I'm going to be using Curl Stretch shampoo, the Curl Stretch conditioner, and the Curl Stretch.
I'm finding it.
It says multitasking volume cream. So let's see how these products work. And I'm gonna come back with not the final results because I don't have time for the final results. I'll probably have to give those to you later. But yes, I still have hair coming out. And by the way, this is how much hair came out of the braids. Y'all see that? I'm out the shower, I washed my hair. Now I'm about to go in with the multitasking volume cream. And then I'm also gonna use this Shea Moisture Defining Gel because I want definition. I have a full wash and go routine on my YouTube channel that I already recorded. I'll leave the video link down below. So if you wanna see a full wash day routine, go watch that video because this video is not for that. This is just taking down my braids. And this is part of the process of me doing a wash and go. Got my water, I'm gonna spray. And I need to hurry up because I'm almost late for work. So this is what it looks like now. I'll be back later tonight when it's fully dry and I can show you the full results.